In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to install P1606 HP LaserJet printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, please copy the link that I have given at the description box below. Once you've copied it, open your Google Chrome browser and at the Windows address bar, make a right click and click on paste. Once done, click on the enter key in your keyboard and in that way, wait until you can be navigated to the result. Okay. So once you are here, please proceed to detected operating system. If Windows 11 is not automatically detected, just click on choose a different OS, click on this down arrow key here, proceed to Windows 11, click on update to set it as the version. So once done, you need to scroll down, find for driver product installation software and click on download button next to it. So in my case, I had already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once done, you need to copy and move that to the desktop here. Okay. The next step that you need to do is you need to extract or unzip that. So by that, just have to double tap. In that way, you can do that or either make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract or unzip this one. So proceed to WinRAR and click on extract to, and then kindly wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop. Now before we move forward, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. Okay, we would really appreciate your support. Now to install, navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Now at the settings, please proceed to Bluetooth and devices. Click on that one. Once you click on it, you can find their printers and scanners. Click in here. And then you can see this option called add device. Click on that one and wait until you can reveal another option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, directly click on it and then wait until you can open this option. Please proceed to add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Then click on next. Click on this down arrow key and select any of these three USB ports. It could be one, two, or three. And if you have seen an HP port here on the list of choices, you can select that as well. Click on next and then you need to go with have disk and click on browse. And under the desktop, you need to scroll down, find for the extracted file, double tap here, scroll down once again, and there you can see three drivers. Select any of this and then click on open and click on OK. Once you've set it, please find for P1606dn. Once you find it, you need to click on next and click on next and you can now start the installation. Please wait until this would be done. Once done, click on next. Click on finished and there you go. You have just successfully installed this HP LaserJet P1606dn in your Windows 11. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.